Good morning, class 6. How are you? All are you doing well? Okay. Thank you. Okay, student. So today we'll start. Last time we have already complete that first lesson. Okay, so this week we will continue our second lesson, and that is trust in God. Okay, so trust in God, page number 14. Okay, so from your book, that life skill moral value. Okay, so this book uh, you have to take it. Okay, so now, so this story about the Prahlad. Okay, the story is about the Prahlad. Okay, now yes, this story is very interesting, and this story we also, especially we get in the religious books, and especially into the Hindu. Okay, so it is a very famous story. Okay, students, so let's continue. Okay, uh, once upon a time there was a Hiranyakashipu. Okay, there was a one king, and his name was Hiranyakashipu. Okay, so Hiranyakashipu was one of the very, and history we may find him very cruel king. Okay, so and Hiranyakashipu, he meditated 100 years, more than 100 years. Okay, 100 years he meditate. For the meditation he took a meditate to the God, and then the and after 100 years meditation he received a boon. Okay, he received a boon. Do you know boon means that we call in that is like a blessing, okay, from God. Okay, that is a blessing from God. And he got, and what types of the blessing he got? That he got no any weapon, neither day or night, neither inside or outside, can kill you. Okay, he got that the he got that boon, that means blessing from God. Neither day and night, neither that is any weapons, or neither inside or outside, no one can kill you. That means you will live forever. Okay, so what happened when he got this boon? Okay, when he got this boon, means this blessing, then then what happened? Uh, then what happened? He started to compare himself like a god, because no weapon can kill him, neither in a day, neither in a night. Okay, neither any animals, neither any human beings, neither in a inside, neither in outside. No one can kill him. So these boons when he got, and the some proud, no, he started to come in within himself, and then he started to compare himself with the God. I am also like a God, because to God we cannot kill. Okay, so God, we cannot fight with God. Okay, so because he was also had that blessing, so no one can kill him, and that's the reason he become like a God in the world. In that those days he become a God for the world. Okay, so he compared himself as a god. And finally, what happened? And then he started to he started to make the people to worship him. Okay, he announced that everywhere in the nation, and he said everyone has to bow before the king, not to the any other god, any idols. You have to bow before the king, Hiranyakashipu. Okay, so all the people started to bow before him, because they feared to him, and because no weapons will work against him, no any time will work against him, no animal, nothing, no human being can stand against him. So finally, what happened? All the people they started to worship Hiranyakashipu. But his own son Prahlad, his name was Prahlad. Okay, but he never worshipped, or he never listened to his father. Okay, so he never listened to his father, and and his father many times he forced him to worship him. You should not have to job, no, you should not have to worship your god, Vishnu god, you have to worship to me. He forced him many times, but he did not listen to him. Okay, that Prahlad did not listen to him. And finally what happened, and that the king Hiranyakashipu got angry on him, and one day what he did, he threw him into the boiling oil. You know that oil, how when it's heated, when we put something, then within the second, within the minutes, it burned, it's dried up, isn't it? So what he did, he put that Prahlad into the boiling oil, but nothing happened, nothing hurt him. He come out as a normal body. So this king got so angry to him. He tried many times. He puts one after one after months, even sometime in a fire. Okay, so he tried many times to kill Prahlad, but he cannot. Okay, so finally, one day evening, the Prahlad was one evening he asked Prahlad, that the Hiranyakashipu asked the Prahlad, you say that your God will protect you. Can you show me where is he? Now that the Hiranyakashipu asked to his son, okay Prahlad, you say that God is always protecting you, God is everywhere. So can you show me where is your God? Is it God is here? Then the Prahlad is saying, yes, God is everywhere. Then the king is asking. That time the Prahlad was standing just beside the pillar, one pillar. Okay, so then what happened? So he asked, do you mean that Hiranyakashipu asked to the Prahlad, do you mean that your God is inside of this pillar? Then the Prahlad said, yes, he is there. So do you know, and that time when he heard this, Hiranyakashipu, when he heard that his God is, Prahlad God is inside the pillar, what he broke that pillar. Okay, and there we see the Vishnu, the God Vishnu avatar, and the form of Narsimha. Okay, so Vishnu God avatar, that is called incarnation. Okay, in English what is incarnation? So he incarnations of Narsimha. Narsimha means neither human, neither animal. That means his body was like a human, but his head was like a lion, and we can see in a picture. Okay, so and half man and half lion. Okay, and when that the Vishnu come out from the pillar, and it was neither day neither evening night, it was evening. Okay, and what he did, no weapons, because there was no weapons, so he used his what is called his claw, that lion claw, no. So what he did, he took that Hiranyakashipu into the door, neither outside or inside. He, in the middle of the door, he tear his chest and he killed. Okay, and that's the way that the Hiranyakashipu was killed. Okay, student. So from here, what we learn from this story, that Prahlad was a very good to trust in God. He trust more than any other. He always trust in God. Okay, so even though all the people go before his father, they started to depend on his father, but this Prahlad, he never depend on his father, he depend on God. Okay, students, when we trust our God, okay, so God is there to make the way. There is a one beautiful song, God will make the way, God will make the way. One English song is there, you may get in YouTube. Okay, so whenever we are in a bad situation, God is there. When we are in a good situation, God is there. God is everywhere. Right now I am sitting here, everywhere God is present. Okay, student. So we have to keep our trust on God. So here, students, that we learn when troubles come, focus on God's ability to care for you. We have to keep on focus on our God. He is able to rescue us from the all types of the situation. He is worthy to protect us. Okay, He can do it. There is nothing impossible for God. Okay, there is a one beautiful story in the Bible, that is Lazarus, about the Lazarus when he died, no, and when he died, and that Lazarus sisters, they were crying. Okay, so but the Jesus said to tell to them, if you believe, you will see the miracles of God. God is able to do everything. Okay, in a parts of the history, if we see in the history, we can find that many things that God did which normal human being cannot do it. Okay, student, so we have to trust our God as a Prahlad. Okay, so Prahlad was a most devoted person, okay, in that days. Okay, so trusting in the Lord, here is the reaction time. There is a one Thomas, okay, Chislum is articles is there, you can read it. Okay, so from here you can learn many things. Okay, we have to trust to God more than ourselves. Okay, student, so if we trust in our God, God is ready to help us. Okay, God is there to help us. When we call with our whole heart, He is ready to answer. Okay, so students, this one you have to keep in mind. We have to be like a Prahlad. We have to keep our trust on God. Not, we should not have to keep trust our education. We should not have to trust in our what is called our qualification or our job or our ability. We have to trust on God, because when we die, nobody knows. Nobody knows. I don't know when I am going to die, isn't it? But student, we have to keep in mind, God is there to help us. Okay, okay, students, so here are the some question and answer, page number 17. Okay, there are the some question and answer, and page number 18, there is a fun time. In the box given below, draw a paste the picture of the place of worship. What place you worship, that you have to draw the picture. Okay, that is in page number 17. And this one, students, you have to send into my personal WhatsApp number. Don't send it in group. If you send it into group, then I will not check your homework. Okay, student, so keep it. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye bye.